Ever wondered how to snag that awesome new game using only the funds sitting pretty in your Steam wallet? It's simpler than you think. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, find the game you're dying to play. Browse the Steam store, use the search bar, or click on a recommendation from a friend. Once you're on the game's page, scroll down a little bit until you see the price, and then click the Add to Cart button. This will take you to your shopping cart. Here, you have a choice. You can buy the game for yourself or send it as a gift. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Purchase for myself. Click that option. Now, you'll see the payment method screen. If you have sufficient funds in your Steam wallet, it will automatically be selected as the payment method. If it's not, just click on the drop-down menu and choose Steam Wallet. You should also see a clear indication at the top showing how much money you have in your Steam wallet. Double-check that the amount is enough to cover the game's price, including any applicable taxes. Finally, review your order one last time to make sure everything is correct. If it looks good, simply click the Purchase button. Congratulations, the game is now yours. You'll be taken to a confirmation page, and the game will be added to your Steam library. You can now install it and start playing. So there you have it, a super easy way to fuel your gaming addiction using your Steam wallet. Now go forth and conquer those digital worlds.